Okay guys, here we go. I ran out of juice on my batteries, so I got a little carried away and I got her all mounted up here. It's a little wobbly, but not too bad. Um, I tightened down the carriage, and without further ado, here we go. Fine phrases right in here. Remember, nice and slow. It's not a race, guys. And there we go. So we unloosen the carriage here. Back her out. And as you see, right there, that's what we ran. That's shiny, shiny, shiny. Right there. I did some hill climbing a while ago and it turned out good. But that's it. There you go. Quick, cheap, and dirty right there. Alright guys, if you like this, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Later.